Hi everyone, it's Neil and welcome to my family room here. And today I wanted to show you this table that I picked up. So I picked up this table, it was the Norwood end table, I think it's called. And you can see it's got the tempered glass top and it's pretty heavy and it's got that black ring around it. And I put this thing together myself. I got it from Amazon. So I'm just gonna put this over here, hopefully it won't break. But you can see it's got the little rubber pieces on it and it's got this cool looking design on the bottom. And it's like the perfect height for my side tables here, for my couches. And I picked this thing up at Amazon. I saw this thing at some furniture stores and it was, $300 or something ridiculous for this. It looked exactly the same. I don't know if it's the same. This one here, you can kind of see the screws a little bit on the bottom, but I mean, like, who cares? I think the other one might've been welded. Okay, big difference. But other than that, it looked almost exactly the same. And it was ridiculously expensive. I got this thing on Amazon for decent, great price. I actually got two of them, one for this side, one for the other side. So if you're looking for some end tables that are kind of cool, modern looking, I got a modern house here. So if you want something like that, be sure and pick these up. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'm gonna be back with some other things that I'm buying for my house too. So you guys can see all the different stuff that I get and how I can save from it by picking them up online. So thanks for watching, bye.